Well, I'm not sure exactly where it's recording, but this is literally just a little test. And the battery's actually dying, so yeah. First drive in a long time on the stock map. Alright, so there's definitely less like throttle response, and there's a lot of smoke out here. Unless I have to reset the M modes. It's very odd. Let's just check and see really quick. If I have to delete any error codes. But alright. Erase the error codes. Definitely feels way less responsive, way slower. I don't remember there being this much of a dramatic change when I first did it, but I guess it doesn't really matter because it's going to be supercharged and then it's also going to be tuned. So that's super weird. Well, not weird, but like far less responsive than it previously did. Also, let's check the oil. It should tell me something. Okay, oil's good. Oh wow, I drove quite a while and the oil is okay, so it's not burning oil anymore. Well then, let's see if I can do well, can't do it yet. But it's just not as responsive as it was before. So I don't know. It's weird. But yeah, with the Alpine Tune, you can definitely tell the difference because going back, now the car, it's like way less responsive before. If when you like just tap the throttle, it used to like jolt you forward and you can really feel it. And yeah. I'm pretty sure because the Alpine Tune also does the timing and everything like that too. But yeah, it's very, very strange. I have no idea where I'm gonna go, so let's go onto the highway. Why not? Probably definitely nothing I can do on the highway. Because I live in Massachusetts and everybody is just literally a terrible driver. So it's the end of that.